Wanna do the two-step, then cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with.
What is up, everybody? Yeah, we haven't done this in a long time. Last time we did a tool review, it was the FDX sockets, the little socket set that I bought. And that was actually in the old shop, and now we're in the new shop. And I decided to go out and spend a lot of money. And I picked up this set, and if you guys can see, it comes with the 3/8 long head electric ratchet, a charger, 2 batteries, and this nice swivel set socket set. I never had a set like that, so I asked my dad if they were any good, and he's actually got a set of those kind of sockets himself, and they're a really good set. So I decided to bite the bullet and get this whole set. And my Snap-on driver, coolest guy in the world, and he actually threw in something else that fits inside of this box, so I'm going to show you that as well. So we're just going to open up this box and show you guys what's inside. So I will open up the box. Alright, so in the box you have your charger cord. Excuse me for my workbench, it's a little messy. The good old 14, I always get this wrong, 14.4, I always want to say 14.7, but it's the 14.4 volt batteries, black on black. That's why I didn't want the red ones or the green ones, one of the black on black. So there's 2 of them. The blacked out charger, I got the red one right now, so this is my second one, and it's a little different than the newer ones. The older ones have just squares. This is one nice LED strip, so that's pretty cool. Snap-on stepping up their game, like always. This is what he threw in for nothing, because I paid so much for this. Here is the swivel socket set. It comes with 10, 12, 15, 17, and 18. Yeah. Part number for this is 207 IPSFM. So that's just for this set right here. And right here we have the long-handled electric ratchet, the 3/8. I wanted to buy one of these, just the ratchet, but I found this nice set, and I was like, well, might as well just buy the whole set. So it comes with instructions, comes with a rubber grommet to cover up. It's pretty much a hat that fits over this. I don't really normally put them on, so I go to my receipt. So yeah, see if these even have a chart. They do, and it's already blinking red. But yeah, that'll look good in my toolbox. I know a lot of guys from my work are asking me what I was going to do with it and stuff. I just told them I was just going to make a video, and then it's just going to sit in my box. I'm going to put all this stuff back in the box. It's going to go in my bottom drawer, and it's just going to sit there. No, I'm going to use the damn stuff. But the thing that he threw in for nothing, well, he kind of gave me a good deal on it, just to throw it in with this. It's a nice 1/4 inch ratchet set. It's the good old American way. It's not metric. The part number for this is 114ATMP. So very nice set. I think this set was like $300, and he knocked $200 off, so I got it for $100. This set right here, part number for this is CTR767K2MSD, and this set right here was $420. So that $420, but just $420 in all. So yeah. So I'm definitely gonna keep this box just because it's a pretty nice box. Just want to keep it. So then I'm gonna throw everything else away. So yeah. So it's a very nice set. Especially if you're a mechanic and you want to get down, like if you have an older vehicle and you want to get to the belt housing bolts and stuff like that, this will be really, really handy. I wouldn't recommend getting 3/8. That's the only thing I really don't like about this. I'm going to see if I can trade this one in and get a 1/4 inch, because I'm not really a big 3/8 fan anymore. It's almost like having a 1/2 inch drive. It's just big and bulky. The 1/4 inch is more my way of doing things. It's just because they've came a long ways, because now they're a lot stronger. They're about as strong as a 3/8 drive. So I don't know. I might keep it. So, but I will let you guys know if I do get a different one, and we'll just do another review on it on the 1/4 inch drive. But yeah. So now I gotta find some room for this socket set and this socket set in my toolbox. So yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and I'll see you guys all later.